Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy bottles. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools. You will need sugar, water, and your chosen food coloring. Preparing your molds properly is crucial for a smooth process. Ensure they are clean and lightly greased if needed. Understanding the basics of sugar syrup consistency will set you up for success. Next, let's create the perfect sugar syrup. Combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Continue cooking without stirring until the syrup reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is key for hard candy. Then, carefully stir in a few drops of your desired food coloring. Now it's time to mold your beautiful candy bottles. Carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into your prepared bottle molds. Be sure to fill them evenly, but avoid overfilling. Let the candy cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until completely firm. Once fully hardened, gently unmold your candy bottles. Take your time to prevent any breakage, revealing your perfectly shaped treats. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and discuss storage. You can decorate your candy bottles with edible glitter, sprinkles, or even a touch of royal icing for extra flair. To keep your candy bottles fresh and prevent them from becoming sticky, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They make wonderful treats for yourself or thoughtful, unique gifts for friends and family. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.